The high ground up above. Yep. Yeah, they do. See that? Oh yeah. That's who I thought you were talking about. That's the main guy. He's been posted up there for a minute.
Marked a location.
Oh, over there? Like being pinned
Watch
in
out.
here in this low ground.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Shit.
Watch out.
Neither do I. I have none. Yeah, he's in the fucking middle of this shit. Oh, shit. Hopefully he'll be able to get out once you get him up. There you go,
Don't
he's up
shoot. Don't rush.
God damn it.
Help!
Alright then. Yeah. Ah, coming up from the side. Coming up from the side. Alright. Fuck. God damn it. Sniper's keeping us pinned, man. Alright, get down, get down.
Let's go!
Alright, so we got guys
Watch out.
up here, and the other guy's over here. Ah, shit!
Marked a location.
Up here,
Watch out.
up there! Good job, good job, good job. Alright, I got one. I got one. I got one. I got you. Alright. Watch behind us. Okay. Alright, I think we're good for now. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go clear the building. Yeah. I got nothing. Christ. I'm gonna get back in the building. Oh! Woo! Just made it, just made it. They're pushing us! They're pushing us! Alright, good, good, good. Ooh, careful. I got the guy in the berm. Bot, yep. I gotta find it somewhere up here in the berm. Yeah.
I got supplies.
Alright, good. Oh yeah. Alright,
Watch out.
let's move up.
Marked a
Up over here.
location.
Alright. Yeah, I got one, Jim, so. Me too.
Watch out.
Oh, what do you see? Yep. There's a care package up here.
Watch out.
I got him.
Help!
He's down. I got 2 down.
Help!
Ah!
Watch out. Help! I'm
Yeah,
being
there's only a couple.
surrounded! Form up on me.
Alright, good. Another one's right there by his body.
Form up on me.
I got one of them. He's dead. Fuck you!
Let's go! Thank you.
Alright, I'm coming up. Up. He's up there.
Watch out.
Oh! He got up. He's coming around.
Watch out.
He got up and knocked me down. He just fucking knocked out. There you go. Good job. Alright, somebody get me up. Number 4. Good job. Alright, sounds good. I just came up on a boost and a full-on med kit. After we just got those guys. Oh, there we go.